My name's Susan Combs, and today we're going to talk about how to find secondary health insurance. When it comes to finding secondary health insurance, this is something that used to be very, very popular in the 80s and the 90s, and now that insurance costs are very, very expensive, people are doing this less and less. Usually with the secondary insurance, what it is it pays out second. So say you have a health insurance plan in place, that's your primary. You have a designate who's primary. And then you have another health insurance company on top of that. That is supposed to pick up the costs of things that aren't paid by your other ones or pick up a portion. So a lot of times you see people do this, say if they have two family members that are working in the household and they both have access to employer coverage. So they can have, one spouse take one, enlist the person, and then you have the other spouse take the other and enlist the other one. Or you can do this through individual policies as well. Say you have a group policy you have access to, and then you can have an individual policy. I mean, I will tell you that with the costs associated with a lot of the health insurance, it can be kind of seen as a waste of money, to be quite honest. Really the only reasons that you would want to have secondary insurance is say your primary doesn't have out-of-network coverage and you need to have out-of-network coverage, so then you pick up a secondary policy that gives a percentage to you when you see those doctors that don't take insurance. But like I said, they're really getting few and far between because there's a lot of confusion. Because when you go to a doctor and have a claim, it seems to be there's always some confusion on, well, which insurance is primary, which insurance is secondary. But it's totally up to you. It's your money. You can spend it however you want to, and you'll just have to decide which policy you're going to have to be primary, which one you're going to have to be secondary, and then weigh the cost associated with it and how you're really utilizing it and see if it makes sense for you.